What up, guys? It's Ashawnya and I am here with another video. Guess what? I'm actually making this into 2 videos. So what I'm gonna do is show you the behind the scenes when I was cooking the ham, the pork, and everything. You're gonna see granddad, a little bit of grandmom in this vlog. And then I'm gonna do a Christmas Day vlog. Right now it is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to those who are watching. But you know, all the footage was actually on Christmas Eve. So what I'm gonna do now is cut this clip and go on to creating my next video that you're gonna see after this one. And guess what? We're gonna be opening presents and starting Christmas Day, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, so Christmas production is about to go down. It is Christmas Eve. I already have my ring light here set up. I have my pork already seasoned. And I also have my hams in the fridge thawing down. I'm actually going to be cooking on camera for you guys so that I can actually provide some Christmas content. So I'm going to go bathe and put on my Christmas pajamas. And then later on in the day, I'll actually put on matching pajamas with Babe. So I'm going to be cooking right now. Babe's currently at work. So I'm just getting ready for Christmas. So stay tuned and watch me transform. So your girl has transformed. What is that blue thing? Okay, I just wanted to make sure that it's not nothing that's out of the ordinary in the frame. But your girl is about to get her cooking up. Okay, so stay tuned. Ooh, look at the pork. I have literally seasoned it and marinated it. Ooh, I've had it sitting here for 2 days in the fridge, so it's definitely nice. And it has some garlic all over it, so it's gonna be nice and tender. All right, so I have my pan and the phone's ringing. Give me 1 second, y'all. Hello? Yeah, I did. And she said, thank God, because she was... Alright, so that was actually granddaddy. But guess what? Oh boy. Because I'm actually baking this pork and ham for granddaddy. So he don't gotta do it. Yes, yes. You know what I'm saying? Just spray the pan because this is actually a butter flavored cooking spray. So that it doesn't stick to the pan. You just take the meat. You put it in the pan. I'm baking 2 slabs. The other ones I still have in the freezer. Yes, y'all. Cooking content is something that I actually love doing. I do it a lot on Instagram. And yes, I'm pouring all of the marinade all over it. Because why not? That's going to give it that added flavor. So what I'm going to do is mix up a barbecue sauce in this same marinade bowl right here to put on top of it, and cut some sweet peppers as well as onions to put in here to bake. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so I've put a whole lot of different concoctions in here. Obviously, I'm not going to tell y'all my secrets, but you know what I mean. Your girl got the sauce, and I'm just stirring it all in. And I'm going to literally pour this over the pork. So just stay tuned for that. Alright, so it's oven ready. I'm literally going to cover it over with foil paper, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. Loving it. Base over, as you guys can see, we have matching outfits, pajamas that we're gonna put on later, but just stay tuned for the show. All right, so now we have 2 hams that I'm about to base up with some clove, but I am super duper excited. I'm thinking to only do 1 tonight. And probably clove up both, but just do 1 tonight. Alright, y'all, so I'm actually gonna be cooking it in a pressure cooker. This time I've already cloved it up, as you guys would have seen, and I'm actually going to pour this sauce all over it, nice and delicious. And I'm gonna add some water so that it's gonna pressure cook good. This time I'm actually here uploading onto Instagram. Like I said, I'm literally doing real life on Instagram. As soon as it's done, it's on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Ashawnya. It's spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. It's here on the screen. Wait, Rachel? Alright, so the ham is just about ready to pressure cook. I've added some sugar, some spice inside of the water so that it does have taste. Morning time! Your girl fell asleep because I was so tired, excuse me. So what I'm gonna do now is cut the ham up. Oh, stay tuned for it. So yes, it was finished last night. I still have it soaking in the sauce, so it's nice. Alright, so I put it here, and what I'm gonna do is literally put it on a time lapse so that I can cut it, but I'm actually just taking out all of those cloves. But stay tuned, time lapse to go. Alright, so I have literally filled the whole entire bowl up with ham. This is what the rest is looking like. I don't know why it's not in focus. Okay, there we go. But yes, I'm done. Alright, so this is Granddaddy's pork. It's actually done. I don't know if you want it cut up like this, but I'm just gonna wait until he gets here, and if he does, then I'll cut it up. Say hiya!
Hi!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, fans!
Okay, so he chose not to get it cut up.
Merry Christmas, fans!
No, not today. Bye. No clue. I heard her in Dominica, but that's it. Bye. Look, Grand is there in the car. Look, she has no idea she on camera, but it don't even focus. Look, she over there in the car. Look, oh, focus now. Oh, look, Granddaddy's going back. Merry Christmas. For those of you who actually do not follow me on Instagram, my mom literally is on a Caribbean cruise, so she is enjoying herself away from me this Christmas. Man, let me tell you, that was tough. My sister is also away with her other family. You know, she's getting a big girl now. Your girl has a boyfriend. So yeah, your girl is literally alone, but just stay tuned for what today holds. Alright, y'all, so it's time to open presents. She played cat and mouse with me. This was
Truth's not turning to me. Finally, I'm seeing a box.
For moments of finally. She don't even know she got like 5 more things to open. Babe, I thought you said you're not sleepy.
Yes, I am.
Hey, y'all.
You coming to vlog, I think? Hi! So tired, so sleepy.
Alright, y'all, so I hope you guys did enjoy that video. It was very fun to vlog it. You know, I've never vlogged me cooking on Christmas before, so I just thought to do something very new. The clip with my mom, we basically exchanged presents before she went overseas because she went on a Caribbean cruise. She's back now. She's actually here in the chair sleeping as I'm talking, because I'm recording this outro on the 26th, the day that you're actually seeing this video being uploaded, I should say, because obviously, you know, videos are up on YouTube forever. So I'm just here getting my post notification shout outs. I spent Christmas Day with my father and his side of the family, so you've actually never met them, so you're gonna get to meet them in the next vlog. I really do hope that you enjoy. You know, just a little sneak peeks. Don't want it to give away too much, but yes, I definitely did play cat and mouse with my mom at the very end. Today's post notification shout outs go to Life as Rashida and I'm Bad Kid _ Daquan. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. You can follow me on my social media at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in this channel name. Also, you can follow my channel's Facebook, Adventures with Ashawnya, because that's where I'm going to be posting most of my content, because I know the notification bell sometimes be messing. So just stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace! Hey! We gonna mash up the road. It's Ashawnya. Andale, andale, andale.
My waistline hot like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure, adventure with me.